Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to take those Autodesk Inventor threads that are only a representation and turn them into these really realistic threads that are actually embedded within the 3D model. So this requires a plugin, but it's probably not the only way to do it, but it's really fast, and once you have the plugin, you can do this to basically any Autodesk Inventor thread to make it realistic. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Autodesk store. I'll have the link, but you can just search up thread, and there's the thread modeler. And here you can just download this. It's off the Autodesk website, and you'll probably need to close Autodesk Inventor but while you're installing it, and once you have it installed, you're probably going to need to go into Tools, Add-ins, and make sure it's right here selected. Make sure it's loaded and loaded automatically. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this screw from scratch and then apply the thread onto it. So you want to make a new part. I'm going to do this in millimeters. So Tools, Document Settings, millimeter, and then make a few sketches. And this is going to be a pretty simple screw, completely non-standard, but it's just going to look like a screw, and that's all that matters for this tutorial. Maybe like 2.5, 55, yeah, something like this. And what I'm doing here is the trick is to use the revolve tool. So click revolve and select these faces, and then for axis, the axis that it revolves around. And you can see that this is how it's a really clever way to make a complicated shape like this pretty easily. Click OK. And then to make the holes at the top, we're going to use the 2-point rectangle. It should be pretty easy. So like 6, 1, 1, 6, yeah. And then I'm clicking E on the keyboard for extrude, but it's also under 3D model extrude. And then under these options, direction 2, and then distance like 1 maybe, yeah. So we have this model screw, and then we're gonna do the normal Autodesk Inventor thread first. So a thread, and then just click on the face, make it whatever specification you want, and you can see it's kind of this ugly representation of what a thread would look like. But if you want a really nice model, go to search and type in thread. I think it's the fastest way to find it, thread modeler. And then what this does is you click on the parts tree, you click on thread, change the standard or whatever, click OK, and the result is this really nice looking thread that's actually embedded into the model. Hope this helps.